Okay, now in this subject, I am going to talk on how to promote Builderall and make money from it. Okay.
Okay.
So in order to promote Builderall, the first thing that you have to do is this will be your Builderall dashboard. It would be on this URL address, office.builderall.com/us/forward/office. If you see something like this, you will see all these menus. Now you need to go to the affiliate section here for everything affiliate marketing with Builderall. Okay, you will go to the affiliate section, and here what you're going to do is you are going to click, let's say you're going to go to funnels. Okay, and let's see, scroll down and click sales funnel. Okay, click sales funnel. Okay, so now you're into the sales funnel part, and let's scroll down. Now these are different sales pages links. Now this is your affiliate link, like these are like different pages. Builderall home. Now if you preview this, you can preview how this is your affiliate ID 1117. You see this 1117,395.
Yeah.
Now this is one of your affiliate links. Like you can send this affiliate link to anyone. He can sign up in Builderall and get a 14-day trial, right? And then he will also get cookied under you. He will get logged under you, right? And after he upgrades after 14 days, you will get a commission, right? So this is one of the links, which is a 14-day trial link. Like they have different links for different kinds of audiences. Are you following?
Yeah.
So again, now this is their another link, home, Builderall, ENG, Europe. Then again, let's scroll down, free website. Now, basically, you can also attract people by saying they can get a free website. Now, this is a different landing page. Like as I told you, they have different funnels for different kinds of audiences. Like build your free website now. It is really free, no payment necessary. Like maybe you can post on Facebook that get a free website, and if anybody signs up using this, okay, he will become your lead, right? And he will get a free website. So you can attract all kinds of audiences. You can even get in people by saying get a free website, and they will get a free website, but as soon as they sign up, they will get the option to upgrade. Okay, just like a upsell bump. Okay, now another funnel that they have is the Builderall business funnel. Preview in window. Let's click this button, preview in window, and this is where they can join our network of the online business. So this is a complete VSL, video sales letter, which explains and does all the selling and telling for you. Okay, so all of these links are actually cookied with your affiliate ID. You see AID 1117,395. This is your affiliate ID in this case. Okay, become an affiliate today, 100% free and scalable business opportunity, right? Again, real people who are already building their business. Now these are the top affiliates, right? Again, it explains everything here, and pretty much premium plan earning simulator. So let's say if someone this link, right? Personal sales 100% commission, personal sales recurring commission is 30%, second tier recurring commissions is 30%, right? So this is the commission structure. Become an affiliate, someone clicks here, right? He will be taken to basically again you are already logged in, so that's why it's not opening up. Right now, let's go back to free website Euro, another funnel. Then they have more funnels. Now let's say if I scroll at the extreme top and click let's say if I click maybe template club, if I go to the template club here, template club. Now they have more sales page templates. Each template or each sales funnel is cookied with your affiliate ID. Okay, you can keep
Yeah.
this somewhere, like copy. Let's go here and let's click new note and paste it here, right? So your affiliate ID is this one, 1117395. Okay, that's your affiliate ID. So as long as that is connected, like local business, right? They have different kinds of sales pages for different audiences, as I told. Local business, let's click here and check this out. Are you struggling to sell products online? Like, you can unlock instant access to 30 free product funnels. Now you can anybody who puts his name and email here. So let's say if I just open a temporary email, right? Let's go to Google, hit enter. Let's write temporary email. And let's open this temporary email from here. Now, while it's opening up, I'll just try closing other funnels. Let's go back. Let's copy this temporary email from here. Copy, and let's go to this funnel, your email, paste, and I'll just copy this and put it as name here, Gusto. Okay, and watch the masterclass now. Okay, sorry, we should have done this. We should have done this in a different incognito window, not here. So I'll copy the link from here, let's say, okay? I'll open an incognito window, Control Shift N. I'll open an incognito window, paste that link here. Then I'll go back and pretty much I'll copy this temporary email from here, copy, then paste it here. This is in the incognito tab. Okay, you see this incognito? This does not contain cookies. Gusto.
Okay.
Click watch the masterclass now. Scroll down. Okay, there you go. You are all set for this amazing presentation that will change your business forever. You will learn how to access more than 30 free product funnels today, how to use these funnels to capture tons of leads every day, how to monetize your email list, and how to make a lot of money as you're promoting the free product funnels. Watch the masterclass now. Now this is tied to your affiliate ID. You see this 1117, right?
Yeah.
Everything is tied to your affiliate ID 11173955. Get your free product funnels today, right? Now they're going to see this whole masterclass, okay? So this is a complete masterclass which they're going to watch. It's about 42 minutes long with complete free product funnels, get results today. I would also advise you to watch this masterclass for your own understanding, right? And let's say if someone clicks here, right? Let's say if someone learn more about the premium plan, let's open it in a new tab. Right, you see a powerful HD presentation here, right? Now she's going to do all the selling and selling for you. And let's see, premium plan, Bill Rolls, template club, upgrade, right? So it's tied to your affiliate ID. You see this? AID, right? So this is your affiliate ID. You see this? Right? So anybody upgrading with this, you're going to get the commission. About premium plan, Bill Rolls, template club, and upgrade add unique package of incredible bonus, mockup studio, blah blah blah. The person is going to, then if the person scrolls down, are you seeing the power and potential in this?
Yes.
If this person gets to upgrade, purchase my premium plan now, you're going to get a $62 commission. Okay, so what you have to do is you just have to tell people, you just have to send traffic to this particular landing page, right? And just say like get oh, how to access more than 30 free product funnels today, right? Or learn more about funnels, or maybe watch a free master class on funnels. Okay, I'm going to guide you on how to do that, right? So let's just go back. Let's say she's sharing her numbers, so it would be easy for people to build trust, right? Everything is already done by her, right? The selling and selling. So you can say, discover the, are you struggling to sell products online? Discover the formula of a success by offering free products. Okay. Hundreds of entrepreneurs in more than 100 countries have already discovered how to be successful. Now this is just not it. This is just not it. The person will also start getting emails that would be tied to your affiliate ID. Okay. And pretty much, okay, let's go back to your builder all now. And apart from that, you see, if you scroll at the top here, let's just close this, just pause this. Okay, maybe you can consider watching this master class yourself. Make sense?
Makes sense.
I'm just minimizing it so you can continue watching it. Now if you click here, you see that email Gusto is now in your network. You see that?
Yeah.
So anybody opts in to this particular funnel here, he will become.
By the way, is this my email?
This is not your email. This is a temporary email we use from Google.
Okay.
Okay, this is not your email, but this is a temporary email. Now you see, Gusto is now in your network. You have a new lead. You see that? You will get a notification from Builderall. You have a new lead. Gusto is now in your network. So the only thing that you have to do is send traffic. You see, ID Gusto. This is the email, temporary email that we use, right? So you can also send personal, you can also send personal emails to these people, right? So you're also collecting leads on the go. So if you're promoting Builderall any which ways, it does not matter if a person is upgrading or not, you are still ending up collecting leads. How does that sound?
Yes.
Right. So
good.
yeah, so this is where we finished the subject on the funnels part. Now they have they have more funnels here, like this local business funnel looks good to me. This one is good for local businesses. Again, local green, another funnel. Do you already have a 2020 strategy? Now this is for 2020, right? So you can use different funnels at different times or different occasions. Do you already have a 2020 strategy? Discover how entrepreneurs like you are generating new leads and new customers every day with this product. Okay, unlock instant access to 30 free product tools, right? So you Sky, like they have actually created too many funnels. Like sky's the limit. Discover the formula of success 2020, right? Again, another funnel. What is this funnel? Like get online, right? Preview in window. 70% of all sales for both products and services are made after a free trial or sample, even online sales. Discover how you can generate leads and sales promoting free products and services today. Now you see this, right? Multiple angles. Do you think this would make your life easy? Multiple angles. Direct response, right? Preview in window. Let's click here. Every link is tied with your own affiliate ID. Okay. Make sales with a free product. Attention entrepreneurs, check out the new method. Find out how entrepreneurs just like you are generating leads and sales every day with these free products. Look for a new strategy in 2020. You can't miss this live presentation. Watch the masterclass. Let's go back. Local business to decide not to participate in the financial crisis. Again, another funnel. The reason I'm showing all these funnels is because you need to get good. You need to know your own product before you promote it to someone else. Does that make sense?
Makes sense.
Decide not to participate in the financial crisis. Discover the formula for success by offering free products. Okay. Hundreds of entrepreneurs, more than 100 countries have already discovered this stuff, right? Do you know? Okay, so we have someone who's checking. Do you know affiliate or entrepreneur? Again, preview window. Now let's click preview window again. Affiliate or entrepreneur. Are you an affiliate or entrepreneur? Get to know the new method to generate more leads and sales from promoting free products. How does this sound, right? So like the person will never get bored from your promotion. Okay. Meet the new free website, preview in window. Again, builder that entrepreneurs are promoting business opportunity niches, right? Like this is a biz op kind of or business opportunity kind of a sales page. This one, preview in window.
What do you think about having a 100% automated online business that can generate recurring income of up to
See this?
5 digits every single month, where
They're
you don't
in
have
this
to
office.
sell or
See
keep
that?
pushing products and opportunities to your friends and family, where you can devote just a few hours a week to build a legitimate, solid, profitable, and recurring income
All
business
the
in one
things
of today's
are being
best
done.
niches.
All the
Yes, this
selling and
is
selling is
it is
being
fun.
done for you. You see that?
Yeah.
See, the harder you work, the luckier you get. That's what I tell simply. Okay. So basically,
Okay.
this is where we finish the subject on the overview. Now there are more of the stuff. Marketer plan. I would suggest you take time and go through, check every sales page, sales funnel they have. Okay. Now this
Okay.
is where we finish the subject on just one particular component of land of builder, all that is template club, right? You just need to send traffic to these people. Okay,
Okay.
this is where we finish the subject on this part.